UK Immigration Changes Bulletin. October 2021 Part 1. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the world of UK immigration law is endlessly changing, with new immigration laws, new rules and new regulations being applied on daily basis by the UK Home Office. It is vital to stay up to date with the latest immigration news and publications. We always do our best to inform on the majority of these modifications through our video updates. Furthermore, we also upload summaries of the numerous immigration paths and talk about the obligations within the different UK visa routes.
Changing the rules on immigration.
A new immigration bill.
Points-based immigration system. Brightest and the best.
The greatest place to live.
Let's begin the video, and firstly talk about the changes in Youth Mobility Scheme. Recently, the UK's Youth Mobility Scheme was open to citizens of India and Iceland. The Youth Mobility Scheme is intended for young individuals aged 18 to 30, desiring to reside and work in the UK, without the requirement of being sponsored by a UK employer. It has now surfaced that India and Iceland are to be added to the list of nationals whose citizens are entitled to apply under this visa route. In the video update published earlier this week, we have already discussed about the latest statement, including the planned cap on visas to be allotted, and the details of the ballot process for Indian nationals. Now, let's discuss whether asylum seekers should be allowed to work. Permitting asylum seekers to work as soon as possible has been the topic of numerous movements, insisting modifications to the present rules, which only allows them to take on roles listed in the shortage occupations list, should the wait for an initial outcome on asylum surpasses 12 months. In our previous video updates, we have already discussed about the working arrangements for asylum seekers in the UK, including the details of the campaigns for modification, and how this is dissimilar to other countries. Now, let's tell you if you can travel while your application is pending. Please keep in mind that, whether the applicant is allowed to travel outside the UK while their application is in process, is one of the most frequent questions to be asked by those expecting an outcome on the UK immigration application. This is intensely significant due to the fact that there are presently delays in processing times linked both with Brexit and the COVID pandemic. Please keep in mind that any visa application made by the majority of applicants, should they travel outside the common travel area, while their visa application is being processed, may be withdrawn, and whether there are any exclusions to this actual forbid on traveling for applicants waiting for their outcome. Lastly, let's discuss how you can travel to the UK from the common travel area. Coming to the UK from the common travel area does not always entail passing via the UK immigration control, but should this be obligated, the type of credentials to be accepted for entry to the UK will rely on the passenger's nationality. We have already discussed in our previous videos regarding the UK Home Office's updated guidance on the credentials obligated to travel to the UK from the CTA, specifically Ireland, the Isle of Man, and the Channel Islands. Our video ends here. We hope you found this video update useful. Thanks for watching.